Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're going to paint a peaceful forest landscape with a crystal clear stream flowing through the middle. This painting is all about creating depth, soft light, and the calm atmosphere of a quiet woodland. So grab your brushes and let's get started. To begin, I use a small piece of sponge and some white acrylic paint to cover part of the upper section of the canvas. This bright area will become the soft light filtering through the forest. Then I mix a little blue and a touch of green into the white to create a light turquoise color, gently blending it into the edges of the white area. As I move toward the sides of the canvas, I gradually darken the mixture, finally adding a little black to create the deepest shadows around the edges. This smooth transition gives the background a natural, misty effect and immediately creates depth. Next, using a flat brush and a dark green mixture, I begin suggesting the shapes of distant tree branches and foliage. At this stage, I'm not adding any details, just creating the overall silhouette of the forest. I also block in the larger trees that are closer to us and cover the lower parts of the forest with dark green to establish the bushes and vegetation on both sides of the stream. Now I switch to a smaller flat brush and mix red, yellow, and black to create a very dark brown. I thin the paint slightly with water and use it to paint the tree trunks. The trees in the foreground are thicker, darker, and more defined, while the trees farther away become thinner, softer, and lighter to enhance the feeling of distance. To build the layers of the forest, I add a little white and yellow to my green mixture, creating a brighter, warmer green. With this color, I begin painting the distant trees. Soft highlights are added between the darker background shapes, allowing individual trees to become visible without losing the overall harmony of the forest. I brighten the outer edges of the trees and gently blend the color inward, creating a beautiful glow where sunlight touches the foliage. Moving down to the bushes, I use the same light green to highlight the areas touched by the light. As the bushes come closer to the viewer, the highlights become brighter, sharper, and more detailed. On the opposite side of the stream, where less sunlight reaches the plants, I mix a little more blue into the highlight color. This cooler green immediately creates the feeling that those bushes are resting in shadow, adding realism and depth to the composition. Now it's time to paint the stream. I mix white, blue, and yellow to create a beautiful light turquoise and cover the upper section of the water. Along the edges of the river, I gradually darken the color, and in the foreground, I introduce a deep green base to reflect the surrounding forest. I softly blend all these colors together, occasionally adding reflections of nearby trees and bushes so the water feels calm, transparent, and connected to the landscape around it. With a small round brush, I begin refining the plants and ground in the foreground. Here, the details become much clearer because these elements are closest to the viewer. Brighter highlights help separate the leaves and create texture, making the foreground feel rich and alive. Using light blue mixed with white, I paint delicate horizontal strokes across the surface of the stream to suggest the gentle movement of the flowing water. These subtle highlights instantly bring the river to life. To make the scene even more natural, I paint several rocks in and around the stream using my dark brown mixture. Each rock has a different size and shape to avoid repetition. I also add small patches of moss on top of some rocks, giving them the appearance of being damp and weathered by the flowing water. Using the same dark brown, I paint another tree trunk growing between the bushes in the foreground. With a fine liner brush, I carefully add slender branches extending outward, helping frame the composition and guide the viewer's eye deeper into the forest. For the finishing touches, I create a warm, earthy highlight by mixing a little white into my brown paint. I use this color to brighten one side of the tree trunk and add highlights to the rocks, making their textures and shapes much more three-dimensional. Finally, I go around the painting one last time, adding the brightest highlights, sharpening a few details, and balancing the contrast wherever needed. These final touches make the light feel more natural and give the entire painting a fresh, vibrant atmosphere. I hope you enjoyed painting this peaceful forest stream with me today. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. Thank you so much for painting with me, and I'll see you again in the next acrylic painting tutorial.